Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the photo's live: iCloud, Google Photos, a phone backup, or a local drive. Sign in using your account and make sure you have the device passcode, otherwise access is blocked. Once signed in, connect the device to power or a computer. Transfers fail on low battery. Make sure the app is up to date because older versions can hide recovery options. Now, open the backup location to begin the restore process immediately. You now navigate the backup and pick what to restore. You search filters like date range or album to narrow results. Select photos individually or choose a range with shift or multi-select gestures. This avoids unnecessary downloads. Once selected, decide whether to restore to device, download to computer, or export to another cloud. Each method preserves metadata differently. Make sure to watch for duplicate prompts and confirm storage space. If syncing, wait until you finish by verifying the restored photos. Open several files to check quality, timestamps, and file size. If items are missing, look in trash or recently deleted. Many services keep files for a limited window. Make sure your device has enough free space, otherwise images won't complete. If restore fails, recheck account permissions, test your internet or USB connection, and try exporting in a different format or using a desktop app. One key tip: clear app cache and retry if progress stalls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.